DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon inspects a delayed road rehabilitation and drainage upgrade project in Cavite. Micah Razon is on the line now. Micah, tell us more about this project.
My heavy traffic is the result of slow and paced construction of the road and drainage project of DPWH in Noveleta, Cavite. According to DPWH Vince Dizon, the delay is due to the lack of coordination from Maynilad. Dizon said that when their construction work accidentally hits a Maynilad pipeline, it takes several days before Maynilad responds, causing further delays to the project. However, a Maynilad representative said that they are now in coordination with the agency and they are fixing the leaks. As of now, the project is only 6% complete, while target completion date is December. And since construction started last May, only about 3% of the work has been completed each month. That is why Secretary Dizon said they will implement 24-hour construction operations to ensure the project is finished on time. Dizon also inspected the unfinished Novelex project, which has also been delayed due to right-of-way issues and funding concerns. According to Dizon, the project should be completed so that the public can finally benefit from it. Back to you, Mai.
Micah, apektado rin ba ang serbisyo ng tubig dyan since may natamaang pipe?
Pagkamatuloy pa rin ang supply ng tubig sa lugar ay may mga napaulat na residente na nagrereklamo kay Secretary Vince Dizon. Ang sabi niya, simula nung sinimulan yung project, ay yung dati niyang water bill na 350 pesos lang ay naging 7,000 na. At nung una, sinisisi ito ng Maynilad sa DPWH na medyo nagkaroon pa ng tensyon kanila with Secretary Vince Dizon na nagkalinawan naman na magkakaayusan na nga ng leak na kung magkakaroon din ng investigasyon kung ano ba talaga yung naging cost ng pagmahal ng water bill ng mga residente. May?
Maraming salamat, Micah Razon, nag-uulat.